Good evening sa mga partners sa Philippines, sa Asia, and good morning sa partners sa North America, including me. I'm Sales Master Ray. Before I discuss yung marketing plan, yung business aspect ng Atomy, I'd just like to share some things just to give a glimpse of the economic system that have molded yung hearts, yung society as a whole, tsaka yung mga changes na nangyayari. So to really appreciate why we should do the Atomy business. Kasi if we don't have appreciation of some things, even though it is good, it is beautiful, our perspective is different. So we have to change yung perspective to see the good side of things. So I just like to discuss briefly yung economic systems before itong platform businesses. So one, before yung revolution sa mga sinasabi nila economic system, yung first, second, we were basically an agrarian economy. Very manifested yan sa ibang countries before, sa United States. Sa atin, may pagka-agrarian pa rin tayo, hindi pa tayo nakakaalis basically sa agrarian economy. So ito yung agrarian economy, farm-based siya. Ang pinaka-factor ng production na very important is labor. Tapos limited ang technology na ginagamit. When I was with Land Bank, way back 1989, I went to a place in Eastern Visayas where yung pag-araro nila, they use five five carabaos to till the land. They did not use any plow or any excavator to, so it was really backyard. So ganun, agrarian side ng things. So labor, yung family very close, guided siya ng religion and tradition. Yun yung agricultural era na sinasabi before the Industrial Revolution. Then came itong apat na changes sa economic system. Bakit very important siya? Kasi it's very important because yung economic system ng times dictates yung life ng tao, yung society as a whole. Sa sociology, if you study sociology, yung patterns ng pagkabuhay, the life of people are dictated by the economic environment. So, una yung economic environment bago yung socio-political system na nag-a-arrive dun sa nag-a-adapt yung socio-political system dun sa economic environment. So, sa first industrial revolution, siya, ang makikita mo ng changes na to, it was based on technological advancement ng bawat economic system. So sa first industrial revolution, ang na-discover kasi doon yung steam engine, na yung water, pag binoil mo, pwede siyang mag-move ng machine. So, yun na nag-start ng mechanization, powered by water and steam. So, because of that, dumali, work was made easier. Then, after that short while, came the second industrial revolution. Yung pasok na ng mga mass productions, so pumasok ng electricity, so yung mga iba-ibang discoveries, na-discover na rin yung telephone, Morse code, so the Graham Bell, so ito yung mga advancement in technologies that improve the lives of people. Then came the third industrial revolution. Ito na yung automation with computers, dumating na yung mga malalaking yung mga sa communication, television. So yan, yun na yung third industrial revolution. So tapos biglang sumama after that, a few years, yung fourth industrial revolution naman or yung information technology na sinasabi nila. So nagkaroon na ng mga smart technology, connectivities. So ito yung present ngayon, yung artificial intelligence na sinasabi. Yung changes na nangyari sa economic system, it took years. But now, yung changes na nangyayari sa atin, it only takes a few years. So, yung speed ng change sa economic system at present is mas mabilis, faster. So, ano yung nagiging nangyayari? Doon sa change ng economic system, ang isang nagka-characterize doon, nagkakaroon ng hardship ang tao pag nagkakaroon ng change. Bakit nagkakaroon ng hardship? Kasi yung dating skills, the previous skills that are being used by people during those economic system na obsolete. Kaya nagkakaroon ng hardship, nagkakaroon ng unemployment. So nagkakaroon ng new millionaires, nagki-create siya ng mga bagong. Kung dati landed ka, rami kang lupa, ikaw yung mayaman, you were considered rich. Because of the Industrial Revolution, na obsolete yung land mo kasi mechanized na eh. So nangyayari no, nakakarakterize siya ng hardships. Nakakarakterize siya ng unemployment. So pag may mga hardship, unemployment, nagkakaroon ng tinatawag na upheavals, nagkakaroon ng gulo, nagkakaroon, kaya you can see that during yung Great Depression sa United States, sa atin, makikita mo rin siya eh, magkakaroon ng mga wars. So yan yung mga causes ng changes sa economic system. So ano yung, what do we expect sa future in terms of the atomy business? Why am I discussing itong mga changes sa economic system na to? Kasi meron siyang tinatawag na before that, sa Bible, if you would see sa Daniel sa 12:4, it was predicted that these changes would come. So let us read. But sa Daniel 12:4, sabi doon, but you, Daniel, shut up the words and seal the book until the time of the end. So there is a discussion of the time of the end. For many shall run to and fro, and knowledge shall increase. Amazing po, di ba? Sa time pa ni Daniel, it was already predicted that knowledge will increase. So, given this scenario, based sa Bible, it is the time of the end. Kasi why? Because many shall already run to and fro. This is the time wherein even sa air, we have air, land, and also sea, all the types of transportation. And you can see people going around. Hindi sila napapakali sa isang lugar. Lagi nababa. They go to and fro, to and fro, to and fro. And knowledge has increased. So we are seeing the biblical prophecy coming true sa times natin. So ano man ang kinalaman yan, inire-relate ko lang po na sa Bible, makikita rin natin yung mga aspects na yan. Kung ba't tama na yung saan natin hahanapin. So, meron namang tinatawag ngayon yung coming age ng fourth o yung Industry 5.0. Yung ngayon kasi 4.0, ngayon 5.0, yung fifth Industrial Revolution. Dati sa fourth Industrial Revolution, ito katulad to, mga artificial intelligence robot, ang tanong, what can machines do for us? Yun yung tanong eh. Kaya many people are afraid because of artificial intelligence, many people will lose jobs. Marami mawawala ng trabaho. Even those who are highly educated. Ano yun? Lawyers, doctors, teachers, writers, yung mga gumagawa dati ng manual, everything now is made by machines. I have a friend, he was able to set up a company by simply using artificial intelligence because pati yung preparation ng mga documents, ng legal documents prepared by the AI, even the preparation of the financial statements, which are basically done by accountants, are now done by AI. And he can produce volumes of this thick by simply using AI. And he can produce also materials, production materials, only using AI. That's just one person being able to master artificial intelligence. So what becomes of us when we go, diba? If so what happens now? Yung sa Industrial 5.0, mababaliktad. Mangyayari, what will happen is that man, they expect man not to be overcome by machines. Kasi saan ka ba naman, where can you find that the creator or the created is greater than the creator? And we as persons, as people, we created the machines. It will never come at a time that they will dominate us because we created them. It is just like in the Bible. We cannot go against God. We cannot be better than God because we are just a created creature. So in the Industrial Revolution 5.0, we expect that we can use the machines for our benefit and our planet's benefit. So yun yung Industrial Revolution 5.0. So ano yung what is the characteristic of Industrial Revolution 5.0 or the fifth industrial revolution. One, we will be having a hyper-connected society. Never in the history of the world that we have now a hyper-connected society. Before, it was hard. 10 years ago, when my wife went to the United States, we had a hard time communicating. Now, it's very simple. Anytime, anywhere, video calls, you can do this. Hyper connected. Everybody is hyper. Nobody now is an island. If you have an internet, we are now a hyper connected society. I would just like to also, there is the development of the human-centric platform businesses. Because now we have in the industrial revolution, fourth industrial revolution, we have the development of the platform businesses, Amazon, also of Uber, of Grab, and all of those platform businesses. But they are not human-centric platform businesses. Because of Industrial Revolution 5.0, humans, mastering AI tools will be the key to success in this industrial revolution that will be coming after this AI thing. So we should be ready. Ngayon, I would just to relate, how come Atomy is positioned specifically for Industrial Revolution 5.0? Di ba? So it should be hyper-connected, human-centric platform businesses, and we should master the tools of artificial intelligence to be able to create wealth or to be able to succeed in this next phase of economic system. So what is Atomy? So Atomy is the perfect business for the fourth industrial revolution. So to be able to get ahead, we should be ahead of things. When we see a trend, we should go in front of the trend so that when it passes us, we will be in the forefront. The upheavals that are coming now, yung problems here in the United States, people, I had a friend here, he said, the problem here in the US is the work. It has no work-life balance. The term is no work-life balance. All work, 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 di ba? Work, no life. So, yung problem niya. But he's a nurse, a doctor. So, people are getting dissatisfied. So, that's the problem. So, if, lalo na, now that artificial intelligence is widely used, there will be a lot of people that will be unemployed. And if there are unemployed people, what do they? There are people who are unsatisfied. If there are people who are unsatisfied, there will be chaos. That would happen po. So we should be prepared. Each of every one of us should be prepared. And Atomy is the best tool at present that I can see personally after doing this business to be the perfect business for Industrial Revolution 5.0. So what is Atomy? Is it fit for the fifth industrial revolution? So it has three characters. It is a global distribution hub. It is an interactive e-commerce platform. I place that because most platforms are not interactive. They're one way. And it is a consumer-oriented network marketing business. We also added that consumer-oriented because there are network marketing businesses that are not consumer-oriented. Let us see yung characteristics ng three aspect ng Atomy business. So as a global distribution hub of Atomy, it is the only company that practices or uses this word mastige. It is a coined word from the word mass and the word prestige, meaning prestigious product for the masses. So it is the only company that uses also the absolute quality, absolute price philosophy, meaning the best quality products at the most affordable price. Nothing can match it. So I have seen for the past 3 years, we have products that are also of the same quality, but when it comes to price, Atomy is way, way ahead. So at present, no company is nearer to Atomy with that product philosophy. And also, as a distribution hub, as a strategy, It has the global source, global sales. As a hub, Atomy links high quality products with uh, looks for high quality products produced by manufacturers in other countries and links it to its network as the distribution hub. So Atomy basically is a curator. SM Arlene used it in his presentation in the last ODS. Is a curator of these products. As a curator, it's like a art curator. A art curator selects the best artwork and he gets this artwork and he ano to yung takes care of this. So Atomy is a curator of high absolute quality products. So what is its advantage for us? Atomy already selects the best products for us to use. We don't have to do much research. So as I said, Atomy is a consumer curator. Atomy you can trust. Ito yung the new byword ngayon sa Atomy. Atomy you can trust is a consumer curator for us doing these things for us consumers. Unlike before, we do the research. We think as a consumer, usually when we go to the market, we select products. That's why women, when they go to the department store, they go around because they want to curate the products, which is the best in terms of quality and price. But men, they don't. They just sit. When they see something they like it, they buy. But in women, they are a good curator of products. So Atomy does it for us as a global distribution hub. So it's an e-commerce platform, interactive. So in Atomy, we have the Atomy Shopping Mall, the Aza Mall, we have the G Aza Mall, and the ATG Mall, ATG Mall. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have a platform that is provided for us for free. For free. If we do all of these platforms, each one of them, it would cost us millions. But it is given for us for free. Also, Atomy is a curator of information. Why? Digital tools for members. We don't have to look for digital tools. It is provided for us in Channel Atomy, in Mastage Times, in the Atomy Corporation, in the websites of Atomy. Every information that we need to build the business is located in these platforms. So it enhances what we call the ease of doing business for each and every one of us. Our AI tool is the platform. Our goal, our work to be done is to master the platform. So be successful in the fifth industrial revolution. This tool is an AI tool given to us for free. It is interactive tool. It does not use robots. It does not use bots. When you ask for help in the customer service, they don't answer by bots. It is answered by a human that is actively communicating with you to address your concern. Also in your transport, in your delivery system, etc., etc. Anything that has to do with your business. So it's a consumer-oriented network marketing. It's very good. The chairman, Park Han-gil, used network marketing. Why? Because network marketing is the active medium in the distribution process. The passive medium is the physical distribution of products. You order, it comes to your house. Diba? But the active component of distribution is the intellectual distribution. That is the consumer-oriented network marketing. When we say intellectual distribution, it is the strategic spread of knowledge about unknown products and services, empowering people to make informed, life-improving choices. Why? Why do we have to use network marketing? At present, there are almost 598 product lines of Atomy. When we ask ourselves, maybe we know 100. But if we ask further ourselves, what do we know deeply about these products? Maybe we can say 20 of that. There are 598. You can just see the volume of information that we need to disseminate in the world. So we don't use the mass advertisement. So we use this network marketing to promote the product. So we need intellectual distribution. We need to master these things for us to be ahead in the coming fifth industrial revolution. So did you know that network marketing is also in the Bible? It can be read in 1 John 1:3. In English, it says, that which we have seen and heard, we declare unto you, that you may have communion with us. In Tagalog, aming nakita at narinig, aming ibinabalita sa iyo, upang kayo naman ay magkaroon ng pakikisama sa amin. In terms of sharing experiences, you create a community. That's the way that Christianity was spread all over. What we saw, what we heard, we tell to you. But in Atomy, what we see, what we hear, what we experience, we share. That's intellectual distribution side. So if we would look that, if we master that art, see what we see, we hear, we experience, we share. If we master that, we can be ahead of the fifth industrial revolution. So now it comes to Atomy. Atomy is a simple business, but not easy. So why? Why is it simple? Because of the ease of doing business. There is no fee, no registration. It's absolutely free. The websites provided, the interactive e-platform websites provided for us are free. The tools that are given to us are all free. If we would set up our own businesses, even a simple sari-sari store, it would cost us a lot. And it would also cost us registrations, legal fees, fees in the municipality, in the town. We have to register everything, etc., etc. And we have to contend with the external forces beyond their control. See, you set up a business, when typhoon comes, destroys your shop, do it again, another. But here is given, the platform is a non-physical platform. So we are given it for free. We have no monthly quotas or fee that are required for us. We have no auto ship requirement. We are not required to buy anything. And also, the physical distribution is handled by the platform. That's why it's very simple. It's very, very simple. And there is also 7 simple steps to follow. One is you have to change your buying habits. That's the requirement. Instead of buying from Costco, from Shoemart, from all those distribution outlets, we have to change habits and buy Atomy products. That's the first thing we have to do. So what's very hard about that? The step is easy, but the change is difficult. That's why it is easy, but not, it is simple, but not easy. Because the changing of perspective and mindset, that's the challenge that is given to Atomy distributors. So the next step is be 100% user. It's obvious, right? If you sell Pepsi products, you should drink Pepsi products. So it is not logical that you are selling Pepsi products and you are using Coke. That is an illogical way of doing things. So if we are doing the Atomy business, the logical way of doing things is we should be 100% user of Atomy products. Tapos, here comes the network marketing side. We experience products as we use them. We develop an emotional attachment to the products. That is what makes it very nice, because the emotional attachment makes us to repeat orders. If we have emotional attachment about something, you cannot anymore change yung way of thinking of a person. So we share the experiences, the benefits about Atomy. That's what makes it easier. That's what makes us different from salesperson. A salesperson, he memorizes the product features and benefits. An Atomy user, he memorizes the product features and benefits and shares his experiences about that product. So it's very powerful. So that's the third step. The fourth step is to learn how to use the website. Like what I said, the one who will master the AI tool in the fifth industrial revolution would be the person who could create new wealth or to be successful. So we should learn, we should need, we should be able to use the Atomy website first to buy the products and to register members into our organization using the platform. Also, if the next step, the fifth, one, two, three, fifth step, um, what we do is to follow the Success Academy online system. If we want to grow our business, because this is a leadership business also, people follow us. It is not what they see, but what we do. So we need a system that would assist us in building our business. The online system is the 8 steps, the 8 core, and the seminars and meetings. Then, when we know all of these things, we duplicate ourselves in others. So that's the 7 steps, the simple 7 steps. It's very simple. It's very simple to memorize. If we do it religiously, daily, we could do this business. So other key features ng business, third generation inheritance. What does it mean? Even though we die, we can let our children and grandchildren benefit from what we have done in the Atomy business. The proceeds, the sales, the income that we produce from the business by doing this, we can easily transfer it to our children and our grandchildren, which is difficult when you are in a traditional business. Because why? If you have land, you have to give it to your son, you have to pay taxes. And also your grandson, additional payment of taxes and fees. Diba? So, that is what is very nice about the Atomy business. Second is the possibility of passive income. Why did I say possibility? Because if you don't want, it is not possible. Pero the percentage of possibility of creating passive income is very high, given the tools that we would use and also the system that we would use. The possibility of creating passive income that comes every month, every year, every week, even though at times after 5 years we are not doing the same amount of work, that is available to us. People who have passive income are those who are most are highly intelligent, highly what you call skilled people, like writers of books, inventors, artists. So they have passive income. But us ordinary people, it's very hard. But with Atomy, we have a high possibility of creating passive income, and also the ceiling for fair distribution. So it is not sky's the limit. There's a ceiling for everybody so that everybody can benefit from the overall business of Atomy. So there's a ceiling. Everyone will reach it. That's what they call the imperial master level. So how do we do this? So basic requirement to join must be 18 years old. In first requirement. Should have a smartphone, laptop, or internet connection because it's an e-commerce platform. We need these tools to use. If you have a TIN ID number, that's very nice. So you can become a business owner of this company. And also, number one, yung attitude of willingness to learn. Because when we do this business, most of our what we've learned before, old skills, we should develop new skills in doing the Atomy business. So most of the time, that is the challenge, the shift ng paradigm, the shift of mindset, the shift of attitude from a traditional way of employment mentality, yung bida mentality to one of a servant attitude, also of a leadership, servant leadership style attitude to do the Atomy business. So if you join, you can choose, become a consumer, just use the product, and become a distributor. What is the advantage of being a consumer in Atomy? Aside from having high quality products, you can save. There's a big savings if you would compare things with other products. You would see that Atomy is a really a company, or its products are high quality and of affordable prices compared to competition, or compared to products distributed also to normal marketing channels. So on the long run, you can save on things. An example is the omega-3 of Atomy. We only have 18 pesos per tablet. But if you buy those that are sold in the Mercury Drug, in drugstores, we would say the price comes from 18 pesos per tablet up to 30 pesos. So there's already almost a savings of 10 pesos. So you can just imagine if you become a consumer of Atomy products, and if you become a distributor, you also save at the same time. You have the opportunity to earn income and to earn cashback by patronizing the products that we are using. So that's a very good concept in Atomy. So cashback, commission. So by consuming, we can have economic gain and income. Basically, Atomy is a consumption-driven business. Consumption-driven, when you say consumption, there is a repeat order. They are highly consumable products that we use this month, we can use again next month. It is not like luxury products like cars. When you buy a car today, you will have to wait for few years before you buy another car, if you still have the capacity to buy another car. So what is nice, we have repeat orders. If we have repeat orders, we have repeat business. If we have repeat business, we have repeat income. So Atomy uses a binary structure. So when I joined Atomy Business, our objective is to create two consumer unions. What is a consumer union? It's a group of consumers that are empowered, that are enlightened, that are informed about the products and services that they are using. Unlike if you are just a simple consumer, you just buy products without knowing anything about that product. So sometimes it is harmful to you. You don't know that it has harmful ingredients to you. It is harmful to the environment. But in Atomy, when you create the consumer union, you are creating empowered consumers. One organization in your left, another organization in your right. What is very nice also about the binary structure that is created by Atomy in the digital platform, it has unlimited downline leverage. So if you have unlimited downline leverage, you have the chance to sponsor people better than you down the line, because you are not limited in terms of depth, in terms of your organization. Maybe the intelligent person, the person better than you, comes 100 levels deep. So it is an advantage for each and every one of us. And also because of unlimited downline leverage, we can sponsor people. We can introduce the Atomy business to people globally. In terms of scalability, is very scalable. We can expand our business without even expanding our physical store, anything. We can expand it. Atomy expands it for us. We are present already in 60 countries. So you can just imagine the limitless opportunity that is awaiting each and every one of us if we do this day in, day out consistently in the next 3 to 5 years. So there is also the accumulation of points. I will discuss it later. And this would lead to quicker and more balance. Sa world, there's always two dichotomy, the right and the left, the good and evil, diba? Positive and negative. So we follow what is in nature, dichotomy, binary, that by twos, diba? And also in the Bible, there is also in Ecclesiastes, two is better than one. So it's always biblical when you see, if we do the Atomy business, two is better than one. Because why? Because when one stumbles, you can easily bring up the other one. When you are one, you stumble, get up by yourself. So That's it. So Atomy is a consumption-driven business, thus the need for repeat purchase. So all products have points. So we can see it in our website when you open it. So what did I tell? You change your shopping habits. What we did in our family, we changed our shopping habits, 5 of us. So you can just imagine, everyone has a shampoo, everyone has a toothbrush, everyone has a toothpaste, everyone does a laundry soap, diba? Everyone, skincare also. So now we have at least 5,000, 50,000 points each. So that's almost 7,880 pesos. So you just change your fabric detergent, your dish detergent, the things you wash your dishes, your scrubber, your sponge, your toothpaste, your toothbrush. Then you can have vitamin C, probiotics, coconut sugar, Arabica. I'm a coffee drinker, so I take Arabica Black and Cafe Arabica 3-in-1. So that's a total of 50,000 points. So that's more or less 7,000 points. That's your grocery for 1 month. So it's very cheap. If you look at it, if you buy it in a supermarket, you don't get anything. But if you buy it in your Atomy business, you get cashback. How can you get cashback? So every product has a point value. So there are 2 types of point value in Atomy, the personal point value and the group point value. The personal point value are the products that you use personally and the points that you accumulate. So by buying these products personally for your own consumption, you accumulate points. If you accumulate 10,000 points, you're called a sales rep. If you accumulate 300,000 points personal, you become an agent. If you have 700,000 points, that's a special agent. 1.5 million points dealer and 2.4 million exclusive distributor. That's the end of the line. If you exceed or you want to buy more, you can now assign the points to your business partners. They just have to remember at least once a year you have to buy on your own website so that it won't expire. So these are the points. And number 2 is the group point value. So the people that you would invite the business, they join you in the business, you create your consumer union left and right. People that would use the products accumulate points on your left side, so it's called group point value. On your right side, it's also called right group point value. So how does this help us in the Atomy business? So it also determines our commission to be earned by the consumption, by the point system. So if you have personal point value of 10,000 and your group point value is 300 in left and right, you get a commission of approximately 800 pesos. But if you will be able to increase your personal point value and you have a 300,000 left and right group point value, you have the possibility of earning 2,400 and so forth and so on. So for our new people here who would like to know more in-depth discussion, you can ask the person who invited you, or you can attend our one seminar on Success Academy or Zoom meetings of our upline sponsors to give us more details about the commissions in Atomy. So this is the lineage system. What I said, if you have 10,000 personal points, you have group points in 300 sa left and right, you get 800. So 300, you get 2,400 and so forth and so on. So our goal, if you want to start the business, is to become an auto consumer and auto sales master. How does it? Your goal is to have 100 families consuming 50,000 points each, like what I did. That's almost 7,000 pesos a month. That 100 families, 50 families on your left, 50 families on your right. If they consume 50,000 points per month, that is almost 40,000. That is already 2.5 million points. So if you be able to accumulate 2.5 million points, 2.5 million points from 1 to 15 of the month, you become a sales master. If you do it consistently, you become an auto sales master. An auto consumer is someone who uses the website and also orders online already. So you are be able to, me as a business partner, it frees me of the time I have. So when you have many auto consumers, you have 50 auto consumers on your left, 50 auto consumers on your right, people who know how to buy, who have changed their shopping habits, who know how to buy on the Atomy website monthly. So you develop what you call the auto consumer, and the points that they accumulate, you can accumulate it monthly. And if you become a sales master monthly, you have the opportunity to earn 40,000 pesos. If you do it twice a month, 1 to 15 and 15 to the end of the month, you can earn 80,000 pesos. If you have lots of auto consumers doing the Atomy business, consuming the Atomy products. So what is the possibility of creating an auto consumer? This is a, it is not a hypothetical thing, because if we start, let's say we start on December, and by January you sponsor two people, one in the left, one in the right. For 1 month, you help them, educate them about the Atomy business, the products, and also how they can order, how to use the website. So you start with two. In February, the two persons that you have helped should also be able to sponsor two. So if we would duplicate ourselves monthly by two up to December, that's a total already of almost 8,190 people. Let us say just 5% of those 8,190 people becomes auto consumer. That's already, if we divide that by 50,000, that's more than the 2.5 million that is required to become an auto sales master and earn 40 to 80,000 a month. So if we properly duplicate ourselves by two, teaching others to do the same, duplicate by two, by two, by two, in 1 year time, we can reach our goal of becoming an auto sales master in the Atomy business. And if we would like to build the Atomy business more, we could also set goals to become what we call Diamond Master. A Diamond Master has two sales masters on the left, two sales masters in the right. When become a Sharon Rose Master, you have two Diamond Masters in the left, two Diamond Masters in the right, until you become the ultimate, what we want in Atomy, to become an Imperial Master. So an Imperial Master more or less earns around $80,000 to $100,000 a month as income as an Imperial Master. So for details, again, you can ask for your business partners to give you the details in terms of the marketing plan, or you can attend our one-day seminar every Thursday in the Philippines. So it is discussed thoroughly during the ODS. If you can attend by live, that's a very good start in building the Atomy business. So the educational system, this is one of the most important parts. To duplicate yourself, Atomy also helps us for us to build the business faster. So they develop this system where we can attend and bring our business partners also to attend. So if we will be the only one to educate the persons that we would bring it will take longer time. But if we could find someone or the system that could educate our business partners, it is the best form of leverage on our part. It could ease our way of doing business. So the educational system, we have our Zoom meetings like this, Zoom meetings with our sponsors, and also group meetings with our sponsors, with our business partners, face-to-face, wedding also virtual. So we attend the one-day seminar in the Philippines. It's every Thursday, weekly. We are blessed sa Philippines. It's weekly. Here in the US, I have not heard. Here we have the Success Academy. So we in the Philippines, we have monthly Success Academy, and there is also the habits that we have to develop daily to become successful in Atomy. We have the 8 steps to success and the 8 core. So again, the details of which can be discussed by your sponsors who invited you po. So we can do this business, enjoy doing the business. I say Atomy is a forgiving business. Eh. Why is forgiving? Because if you will not be able to do these things, you can do it again tomorrow. You have no boss. The boss is yourself. But if you want to really strive to do this, you have a team. You have a line of sponsor who is more than willing to help each and every one to you to achieve your goals in Atomy. To end, I just like to say this quote because it tells everything. Sometimes people can do things by their own, but most of the time, we need God to guide us in everything that we do. I have a story to tell. I told this with my daughter. There was a Negro, a black scientist by the name of George Washington Carver. During the time of the agricultural revolution, the soil of the United States became depleted. So it was a hard time to grow crops. What George Carver did was to plant peanuts on the soil so that it's a nitrogen fixing plant wherein the atmospheric nitrogen is locked in the soil. So it helps the plants grow better. So with the discovery of the peanut, George Carver was able to increase production in the United States. However, there was a problem. The problem was the peanuts. It became very numerous. So what did George Carver did? He found ways to use the peanuts. So he developed peanut butter, all the things that peanut oil. So he developed all of these things so that the surplus of peanuts was to be used industrially. So one time he was invited to a convention and he was asked by one of the senators, how did you know, Mr. Carver, how did you know to do all of these things about the peanut? And George Carver said, I used the Bible. And the senator asked, is the peanut in the Bible? And George Carver said, no, but the God who created the peanut is in the Bible. And the God that created the peanut told me how to use the peanut. So to end, Matthew 6:33, seek first his kingdom and his righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you. So everybody, good luck po in doing our Atomy business. May God bless each and every one of us. May we be a blessing to others as we do the Atomy business individually, together, as a group. And may we be a blessing to mankind also po. Thank you very much and to God be the glory. Thanks po. Salamat po sa Diyos.